Well, it's April the 27th here in North Idaho, Lookout Pass, right on the Montana border. This is what the steps look like now. No snow, it's melted back, melted back, melted back. But when I flip the camera around here in a minute, you'll see what North Idaho people are like. A beautiful, glorious Sunday morning. Check out the parking lot. Again, 27 April 2025. A lot of people have not hung up the boards or hung up the decks yet. Probably mostly season pass holders, but nevertheless, they're out here to get the last bit of winter pleasure. Well, once again, we'll get a few pictures of people coming down. Today I met, obviously, Tom, Josh, and Kelly. All from the Montana group. Red Dogs are here. Brought a snowboard lady with them. Is riding a Karua pencil, and she loves it. So, also I saw Dane out here today on his hard boots, and then he kind of disappeared. I don't know where he went, but possibly out back somewhere. But he was slicing some lines, and I had a couple of pretty good runs myself where I was feeling a couple of new movements. So guys, just remember, next season is coming, but this season we're already going to start preparing. And to the folks that gave me the videos of the big guy skiing, snowboarding, the 2-year-old, I apologize for not getting that up. Hopefully I'll attach it to this one so you guys can enjoy what you sent me and other people can see. Wow. All you have to do is imagine you're skiing and start young and boarding.
I would imagine that you're wondering what this is about. Well, being the 27th of April, 2025, the last thing I wanted to do when I left Lookout Pass was to once again walk up the bunny hill. Lift wasn't running, too muddy, too dirty, flooded out. So you had to walk if you wanted to get to the top of it. So I said, why not? The real reason for the why not was I really wanted to get to the top and put my signature down the bunny hill one last time to look at and say, wow, I enjoyed doing that. Look at that track. It's down the fall line. Everything was working. The snow was delightful. It's why we're out there, guys. We're out there to enjoy ourselves, enjoy nature, put down some tracks and stuff that we can see from the chairs and stuff, and just think, wow, wasn't that fun? Or, gosh, I've improved a lot. And the only way to do that is to go back and check your tracks, see what you're doing, and read them, and you'll get better and better just by simply practicing and checking yourself out.
To the west, if those clouds are coming this way, it's going to bring some precipitation in the way of rain. So, great time to finish, a little before noon here. Also like walking around looking at everybody's boards, see what they got, see how they're set up and everything. Here's a pair of Nidecker Supermatics that I had. They're not mine, but on this board here, this K2. And then we got this board in the middle here. Everybody's pretty much a slight duck. We moved down here to this Burton board here, breathe deeply. And not as much duck. I'm not sure which end is the tip or the tail. Forward foot looks a little bit of a forward angle, but very close to the tip. So it's probably a jib board. Move along over here to the demo board from somewhere. I'm not sure what the brand is, but it is also setting up cut duck. It's a directional twin. You can see the longer nose than the tail. So there's another variety. And we'll move over here to, whoa, the Libtech. The Libtech Golden Orca. This Golden Orca is set up with a positive forward foot and a neutral back foot, kind of a wide stance, very wide. Not sure what it's being used for, but probably great in the spring, unbelievably good in the powder. And underneath it here we got an older War Pig sitting there that again is positive front foot with a neutral back foot. And then we got Dakota out there, or Idaho out there, with his skate tool, kicking it around. And I don't know for the life of me how he jumps on and off of that board at the lift, but he does it.